the ultimate guide to donating your car for a tax credit. Introduction. Donating a car for a tax credit can be a smart move, providing both the satisfaction of contributing to a good cause and potential financial benefits. Understanding the intricacies of this process can help you maximize the advantages while making a positive impact on your community. Here's your comprehensive guide to making the most of the opportunity to donate your car for a tax credit. Deciding to donate, the benefits of giving. The decision to donate your car can be motivated by various factors. While the primary objective may be to contribute to a charitable organization, the additional benefit of claiming a tax credit adds a valuable financial incentive. By choosing to donate, you not only support a cause you believe in, but also potentially reduce your tax burden, making it a win-win situation. Finding the right charitable organization. Selecting the right charitable organization to donate your car to is crucial. Conduct thorough research to ensure the legitimacy and credibility of the organization. Look for a registered 501c3 charity, as donations to such organizations are generally eligible for tax deductions. Confirm that the charity aligns with your values. Evaluating the tax implications. Understanding the tax implications is essential to ensure you make the most of your donation. The IRS has specific guidelines for determining the value of your donation, which can affect the amount of tax credit you can claim. Factors such as the condition of the car and the way the charity uses the donation can influence the tax benefits you're eligible for. Consulting a tax professional can provide you with valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of tax regulations. The donation process steps to follow. To initiate the donation process smoothly, follow these essential steps. Gather all necessary documentation related to the car, including its title and registration. Choose a reputable charity and confirm its eligibility for tax-deductible donations. Transfer the title to the charity and obtain a receipt for your records. Determine the fair market value of the car in accordance with IRS guidelines. File the necessary tax forms, such as IRS Form 8283, to claim your tax deduction. Ensuring a smooth transition. Ensuring a smooth transition during the donation process is crucial. Coordinate with the charity to arrange the logistics of transferring the vehicle. Remove any personal belongings from the car. The impact of your contribution. Recognize the impact of your contribution on both the charitable organization and the community it serves. Your donation can support various initiatives, such as providing essential services, funding research, or aiding those in need. Acknowledging the positive change your contribution can bring reinforces the value of your decision to donate your car. Conclusion. Donating your car for a tax credit is not only a practical way to support a charitable cause, but also an opportunity to optimize your tax benefits. By following the necessary steps and understanding the implications, you can make a significant difference while potentially reducing your tax liability. Keep in mind the importance of selecting the right charity, understanding the tax regulations, and ensuring a smooth donation process to maximize the impact of your contribution. Take the initiative today to make a meaningful difference through your car donation.